जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 36th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying, "Ho Arjuna, as a Kshatriya, it is your responsibility to fight the battle. But if you do not fulfill your responsibility, if you do not take care of your duty, and if you do not fight, you know what will happen? Tomorrow onwards, all your enemies will talk very, very low about your great valor, great strength, and great power. They will completely put you down with all the insulting words. Oh Arjuna, as a great man, you will not be able to take and bear that kind of insult. If you do want to get rid of that kind of insult, now you have to fight. Now you have to fulfill your duty. You get rid of your unwanted compassion in unwanted place on unwanted people. If you get rid of that compassion now and do your duty, you will be able to get rid of the great grief, terrible grief which is going to come. Like this, Krishna Paramatma teaching to each and every one of us and encouraging all of us to take care of duties and responsibilities perfectly. Having this Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us repeat the same words which are spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Avacyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samardhyam tato dukkataram nukim. Om. Our body is helping us for our travel through it. So it is our responsibility to take care of our body. And we are working with our manas. It is our responsibility to keep our manas in a right path. And we have a goal to reach. We have a destiny to reach because it is a travel. So what is that destiny? What is that ultimate goal? To learn about that, to understand about that, that is also another responsibility. As a human, we born in a family. Family is our responsibility. This family is in the society. Society is our responsibility. Like this, we have so many responsibilities and we have our own profession, professional responsibilities and duties. Everything. We should not be neglecting, ignoring any duty and any responsibility. We have to take care of all these responsibilities perfectly. Let us try to do that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma giving 8 works for all of us to do. Those are: always think about me, become my devotee, keep on doing all your activities to impress me, keep thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall definitely take care of you in all aspects and respects. For this, now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall always be thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall take care of all my duties and responsibilities to impress you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhum. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Arjuna and Dharmaja, both brothers, are sharing the pain of separation, pain of loss of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Arjuna is saying like this to his brother Dharmaja. Oh, my dear brother Dharmaja, do you remember this? How Krishna Paramatma helped us in so many ways. Some time back we did Rajasuya Yagam. In the end we did Purnahuti. After Purnahuti we did Avabhruda Snanam. With that Avabhruda Snanam, our Draupadi's hair got sanctified. Such more sacred hair of our Draupadi was pulled by Kauravas into assembly and they insulted our Draupadi. Oh, my dear brother, you know what? What did I do in revenge? I could make sure that all the Kauravas are killed and their wives could never tie their hair. With loose hair they should cry. To that extent I made sure. How did I do all that? It is all Krishna Paramatma's anugraham only. Only with his kataksham I could do all that. Oh, my dear brother Dharmaja, you remember some time back when we were doing Aranyavasam. In those days, one of those days, Durvasa Mahamuni came to our ashramam. He was sent by Duryodhana. Durvasa Mahamuni came with 10,000 of his disciples. At that time, by then, we all finished our dinner and there is nothing left for all of us to feed Durvasa Mahamuni and his disciples. At that time, from that such a huge trouble, our Krishna Paramatma came and protected all of us. Krishna Paramatma Sakannasishtam Upayujya Yataha Trilokim Truptam. He just has taken one small leaf from the utensils where it is left over. He has taken small leaf and ate and made sure all the worlds, 3 worlds, are satisfied, or completely feels that they are full of their food in their stomach. To that extent, Krishna Paramatma did, and in that process, all these 10,000 disciples and Durvasa Mahamuni also felt that as if they just ate full. Like that, Krishna Paramatma saved us from that big trouble. Oh, my dear brother Dharmaja, you know, some time back when I did fight with Paramasiva, I could satisfy, I could make Paramasiva and Girija Devi feel so happy. When they felt happy, Paramasiva gave me Pasupatastram. Oh, my dear brother Dharmaja, who did all that? Who could make Paramasiva happy? It's not me. It is all Krishna Paramatma's tejas. It is all Krishna Paramatma's strength. Because of that, I could fight with Paramasiva, I could satisfy Paramasiva, and I could get Pasupatastram from Paramasiva. All this is done by Sri Krishna Paramatma only. Like this, Arjuna giving all the credit from all incidents that are happened in the past. He is giving that credit to Sri Krishna Paramatma and sharing the memories of Krishna Paramatma with Dharmaja. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 36th sloka. Avachyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samardhyam తతో దుఃఖతరం ను కిం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.